Hey guys, welcome to Bay Box Breakers. Here's tonight's break on the ITG Captain C 11-12 edition. Time of night is right on the button. 8 o'clock, Monday, April 30th. 8 o'clock, Monday, April 30th. Just watching the Rangers-Washington game. It's still 0-0 in that one. More than halfway through the first period. So thanks again for your quick payment, guys. I will get this out to you shortly. I'm just waiting on a couple others. Just to let you know in advance, I did post another box of the captaincy up tomorrow night. I think it goes at about 10 after 7 or so. I started with the Crown Royal, so that goes at 6:45 Eastern Time, followed right away by the Captain C. Product's a beautiful product, offers 10 cards per back. Just the one pack per box, but you get 5 premium foil base cards, followed up by 5 memorabilia cards. So let's get right into her. We're going to start things out here. The New York Rangers, we got ourselves Andy Bathgate for the Rangers, silver. Andy Bathgate. Next we have Matt Sundin, gold for the Leafs. Matt Sundin, gold for the Leafs. We have Bobby Clarke for the Philadelphia Flyers. Bob Clarke, silver. And this is a throwback. For the Montreal Canadiens, we got ourselves Sprague Cleghorn. The Montreal Canadiens. And the last base, we've got ourselves a Ted Kennedy for Toronto. Another old school one. So 2 hits for Toronto already. And then we'll get into the bulk of things here. We got, to start things out, we got ourselves an Ed Van Impe for the Philadelphia Flyers. Ed Van Impe on-card autograph. Nice hit. Oh, Washington just scored. So Capitals, fourth line just scored 1-0 Caps. Ed Van Impe for Philadelphia. Very nice. Looks like Mike Knuble just scored. Next card. One of the only forwards before Taylor Hall to be wearing number 4. For the Tampa Bay Bolts, Vinny Lecavalier. On-card auto. Very nice. And here we have, for the international / junior category, we've got Junior C captain Carl Alzner. And if you guys have been watching the Capitals, you know that he's turned into quite the player for the Caps, defenseman. But that does go to the junior category that I sell. So very nice hit there. And we have our next one here. We've got Dale Hawerchuk. Nice. Winnipeg Jets game used jersey, Dale Hawerchuk. Well, this next one's a real beauty. Next one we have the LA Kings. We got a stick and jersey. Lucky Luc Robitaille. The silver version. Luc Robitaille for the LA Kings. Sweet card there. So overall, very nice box. We got the Luc Robitaille hit here with the stick and jersey. I love those cards. It's nice to get 2 pieces of memorabilia on one card. We've got the Carl Alzner, Junior C captain for the international / junior category. We've got Dale Hawerchuk for the Winnipeg Jets. Nice auto here, 2 autos. Vinny Lecavalier for the Tampa Bay Bolts. Vinny Lecavalier. Then we got The Philadelphia Flyers, Ed Van Imp. Ed Van Imp. The Flyers. We got another Flyers hit here. We got Bobby Clark. Bobby Clark. We got 2 hits for Toronto. We got Ted Kennedy. Ted Kennedy. And Matt Sundin gold. We got from Montreal, we got Sprague Cleghorn. Sprague Cleghorn. Let's see the year on that. 1922-23. So that is an old school player right there. We got Andy Bathgate for the New York Rangers. Andy Bathgate. So there you have it. Thanks again for your bids and your quick payment. I will get this out to you as soon as possible. Just to let you know once again, tomorrow night's breaks start at 6:45. So the auctions go at 6:45, starting out with the Crown Royal, followed up by the Captain C. So thanks again and take care. Enjoy the hockey games tonight.